In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can move water around here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you're going to have to complete Piplup's questline. So just keep that in mind. You may have to finish the Pokemon Center in the main area before he does actually show up. During the quest, you're going to meet Mudkip. After helping him, you'll unlock the ability to move water. To use it, just jump into the water, activate the ability to absorb it, and then aim wherever you want to release it and place that water. The process really is as simple as that. If you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, but that really is it. You can use this to create a lot of different things like waterfalls by placing it at higher spots, or ponds by, digging a hole and filling it up. That is how you can move water. One more time, if you have questions, ask them down below. We could help you out further. On top of that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.